Today we're going to cover the process of removing, installing, and adjusting the handle on your PTH50 pallet truck. So the first step is to remove the screw fastening the control rod to the actuating pin. Now the chain can be pulled free from the actuating pin. And up out of the handle axle. Next step is to remove the roll pin securing the handle axle in the pump. Now the handle axle can be driven out. And at this point, it's a good idea to make sure that the area is clean, free of debris, and well lubricated before we install the new handle. Remove the screw from the end of the control rod of your new handle. Place the chain. Lay it over the roller so it's up out of the way. Sit the handle into the pump and align the hole in the handle with the hole in the pump. No, it's not moving, but. Before you drive in the handle all the way, the handle axle all the way, be sure you align the hole in the handle axle with the hole in the pump. You can do this with a pin punch. Chase the hole. Install your roll pin. Okay. Now at this point you can lift up on the control rod while you drop your chain through the handle axle. There's not a lot of clearance here, so be very patient. Put the handle lever in the down pump position. This will give you your the length on the control rod and chain that you need to attach it. Once you've installed the handle into the pump, you then want to feed the chain down through the handle axle. You can make this easier by lifting up all the control rod with a pair of pliers. Then you can connect the control chain connector to the handle axle. Grab a hold of the back of the chain connector, the pliers, and with the lever in the down pump position, insert the chain connector into the actuating lever. Hold pressure on the back of the connector and install the screw. Okay. Adjusting your handle, you want to start with the barrel nut at the top of the control rod, about flush or just below flush with the top of the control rod. You want to lift up on the control rod at the base. This will pull the barrel nut up out of the control lever and allow you to turn it. You want to turn it down about 2 revolutions and then test to see if it pumps. And then we'll go into neutral position, which means it'll stop pumping, but it will hold the load. As you can see, the unit is still raising, so I need to turn it a little bit further down. Continue to do this. It may take 2 or 3 times before you get the handle adjusted properly. Pumping, neutral, still raising, try again. There we go. Want to test that the handle functions properly in all 3 positions. Raise, neutral, should not do anything at this point. Lower or lift, and then lower position.